All right, I'm not the first one to have to clean jets, but those are nasty. So that's what, let's see if we can do that. That's what California Fuel does to jets in carburetors. So let's take a look down at the slow speed. Let me see if you can get in there. Let me see. Oh yeah, look at that. Awesome, right? Now they came back looking like that. How did I do it? Stay tuned for part 2. But because I got to try it again and see. I can't remember if these two were as bad as these. They were pretty bad, but I don't remember them looking that bad. But I'm going to throw them in this little solution. We'll see what happens. If it works great, I'll pass it on. One other thing, in the slow speed, down inside there, you won't be able to see, is a little tiny hole, probably 38 thousandths. And that isn't clean. So all the aerators, as you can see, those you can see through them. Oh, you can kind of see through them. There you go. For a second, you could see through them. There, right? So way down in the bottom of that, you can't see the hole, and the hole is plugged. So that I'm going to have to get a very, very fine wire to get into to clean up. All right, I will let you guys know, and we will give you part 2. And if it works, I will be more than happy to pass it on. Because then, actually, these carbs are pretty clean. They didn't sit very long. Maybe 4 months, and the fuel did that. So, and there's an ant. All right, stay tuned, and check for part 2.